How do I check battery health on Samsung phone? In order to check your battery health on your Samsung phone, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to go to the settings on your mobile device. After that, you can see an interface like this. Now go to the search option out there and then tap battery and device care. After you tap battery and device care, you will see the screen like this. Now you have to go to the option of battery. After tapping on the option of battery, you will see a screen like this. You can see your very percentage of battery and just all the details of your battery by clicking on the view details. There's a next option as well. You have to go back, and after going back, you have to tap battery. And after you tap on battery, you can go here on battery capacity. After you go to the battery capacity, you can also check what exactly your battery capacity is. Mine is 6000 mAh. You can also check your battery label and you can also change your battery status here. So this way, you can change your battery health and your battery device care by doing all of these steps. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.